Find a comfortable place to sit with your spine back very long, and bring the tip of your middle finger to the tip of your thumb for Shuni Mudra. This mudra is really good for intuition, alertness, and sensory powers. It will also purify your emotion and your thoughts. So just gently close your eyes, allowing the other 3 fingers to be relaxed and long. Take a deep inhale, fill up your belly, your chest with all your breath. And then exhale, super long, let everything out. Continue to breathe, deep inhales, becoming aware of your body, how it feels in this moment. Becoming aware of the quality of your breath. Noticing any sounds around you. It's okay. We are in harmony. We're one with this present moment. Today's meditation is all about tapping into our intuition, learning how to listen to ourselves, trust ourselves, connect with ourselves. Continue to breathe. Intuition is a process that gives us the ability to know something without analyzing or reasoning. It bridges the gap between our conscious and unconscious parts. It allows us to make choices and understand things that no one or no thing can teach us. It's our higher selves. It's our wiser self. It's our compass. It's our guidance. And all it asks is that we listen. And the best way to strengthen this relationships between our own desires and our intuitive desires is just to tap in, to be, to connect, to listen, to be still. To breathe. What are you hearing? What are you feeling? What are you seeing? These are all ways that your intuition may speak to you. Could be with a voice, could be a mental picture, could be something that you just feel, you get a sense. And sometimes it shows up externally when you're really paying attention. It could be a book that reminds you of something, or a song that gives you a feeling or a memory. You receive these messages from your higher self, your wisdom, in many different ways. And we innately know when it's right. We know what to do when we receive these messages. The practice becomes trust. Trusting yourself. Trusting that you have the answer you need. And that answer is the best answer for you, for your needs. So breathe and listen and feel and hear and see. Continue with deep breathing. Deep inhale. Long exhale, release. Take another deep inhale. Long exhale, let it go. Noticing the sensations that arise in your body. And as thoughts come and go and visualizations come and go, just release them. Don't get too connected. Don't get too caught up in the spiral of chasing those thoughts or those visuals. Just notice them. Notice what they are, how long they're here, and then let it go. Focusing on your breathing, focusing on just being present. Where your body feels, the things you're hearing. Our intuition is just not about the mind. It's about our souls. It's about our spirits. It's about that union between the conscious and unconscious. So don't spend too much time attached to your thoughts, to your mind. Just be in your body, be in the moment, your breath. Continue to breathe. Continue to notice how you feel, remembering to let those thoughts just float by like clouds in the sky. Any visualizations, just take notice and try to connect those images, those thoughts with how you feel in your body. Remembering that our intuition speaks to us through a variety of ways and noticing what those ways might feel like. Continue to breathe. You already have everything you need. Your intuition is guiding you in every moment. Take a deep inhale. Release, exhale. And start to blink your eyes open. How do you feel? I really hope you enjoyed this meditation. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with friends because life is better when we do it together. Thank you.